Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. And the question is this: what do I do with my YouTube account, my Google Adsense account, and some of the other accounts I have if the email address I have associated with them is about ready to be deleted? I'm going to show you what your options are. It in YouTube is pretty easy to do, but it's hidden. It's called branded accounts. So you have to go to, what's called myaccount.google.com. So log in to that account that you're about ready to lose and go to myaccount.google.com. And then you have to type in, it's nowhere in the list. I can't find the directory. It's called branded accounts. Type in a branded account and manage your branded account right there. And it says, it doesn't show the navigation, but it basically says, go to the brand accounts section. Boom, go to that. Here we are in brand accounts. Now, when I go back, it doesn't take me back to the navigation. So you go find your YouTube channel down here, and you click right here, and then you manage permissions. Manage permissions lets you change roles, invite, and remove users. Changing roles includes moving this account to another email account. So if I go to, let's see what edit account information has. Yeah, this is just editing the account. Doesn't let me change the owner of the account. So I got to go back. So I'm going to manage permissions right here. You got to log back in. It wants to make sure you are who you say you are. And then go to manage permissions again. And now, here's the main account owner. If I want to add another person, then I can click right here and I can put in another email address in. Let me put just one in there's the test account I'm using, BCI test. Now, here's the magic. Change the role. You can make it an owner, a manager, or communications manager. And so communications manager will let them post content and comment. Manager lets them do everything except for change ownership. And owner would be the owner. So I can I'm not going to click on it, but I can make this person the owner. And I basically would be sending an email address to that email address for BCI testing. And they'd have to accept that, become the owner of this account. At that point, you lose owner. You're no longer the primary owner. I'm going to get the help document from Google and share that help document so you're absolutely clear about what will happen when you do that. But I'm not going to do that today. On Adsense, what you do is you go to account, and under account, you go to access and authorization. And under access and authorization, you can invite another user and the same basic steps. Invite that user, and then when you invite the user, you would make them an admin or not. And what I'm not sure of, again, I'll get the Google document for this, is that when you make them an admin, could you then remove yourself as the admin or remove yourself completely? I want to get that information, the help document from Google in regards to Adsense. On Google Analytics, you go to settings, account access management, and again, you can add another user, notify, give that person administrative roles, give that person full administrative rights, and then once that person accepts full administrator rights, then you can remove yourself from this account. Again, I'll get the help document from Google on how to do this on Google Analytics as well. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful.